you sneaky mongoose. Can we transform this train carriage? We'll start at the very back of the train carriage. So obviously first we've got to do a lot of construction and Hey Chris, how you going?
Yeah, good mate, how are you?
Good mate. What's going on?
We're just getting some stuff prepared for the demo of the train carriage out the back.
Yep.
Got to make sure we can't forget this. You need to play the 70s music, get you going in the morning, so get us going, let's go.
For sure. You sneaky mongoose. Can we transform this train carriage into an Airbnb? That is the question. We have Chris here today. How you going, Chris?
Yeah, good mate. How are you?
You pumped, mate? You pumped?
Oh yeah, looking forward to it. So every day you get to work on a 1950s train carriage. A lot of work to be done, but it'll be well worth it once it's done.
Oh, I'm hoping as well. Let's go and have a look inside. See if we can start construction.
Let's go. Let's have a look.
Bit of demolition.
Break some stuff. All right, give us a rundown on this old school train carriage, you mongoose.
Yeah, too easy, Chris. Come in. I'll show you around. So to start off with, this train carriage is around about 19 metres long, and it was used in the Melbourne CBD, obviously to transport people back in the 1950s. She's pretty run down, and I suppose that's why we're here today to, change it into an Airbnb and try and get some people in here to have a look and stay the night and have fun. We'll start at the very back of the train carriage. So obviously first we've got to do a lot of construction and demolition. So we've got to demo all this out, clean it out, start from here and work our way back. So my idea would be to set up an ensuite in this area and a main bedroom, master bedroom. And we come through here. We'll probably have the kitchen area in this side here, and then maybe a fireplace or something like that. Some tables, a lounge room with a big TV here. We'll walk out in this area here into a deck, and we'll have a wellness area where you can have a cold ice bath, or also a bath that's connected to a spiral copper coil that you can heat up and have a nice warm bath at night time out there and enjoy the scenery with the kangaroos. Then we come back into this area. This area is going to be sort of like an opened area. So if you have kids, you can throw your kids in this area while you go and watch TV or have a nice meal in the back, or do your hunky-dory business in the back room. But so this area is more like a playroom where we'll drop down some seating and also beds if you wanted to change it into a bed or seats. So that you could fit probably fit a whole another family in this area. And then from where we are here, moving back, basically this will be another bedroom with a double bed in there. Let's start getting the construction underway. Check out our next videos.